Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Moon. Pleasure to be joining you across time and space. If you're feeling stressed out, frustrated, overwhelmed, anxious, depressed, cynical, lonely, insecure, tired, or perhaps even joyful, know that you're not alone. Know that I certainly can relate to a lot of those. From time to time, feeling super low, feeling darkness inside, feeling the pain of the day-to-day life. Nevertheless, we're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust and the unfolding of life, moment to moment. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture, aware of how you're sat. Gently close your eyes, bringing your attention inwards, becoming more aware of the sensation of touch, sensation of sound. Relaxing your belly, sending love to the belly and allowing it to relax. If you're anything like myself, you can feel many fears that can be felt in the belly, as well as tightness in the chest. So with your awareness, relaxing your belly and opening the chest, feeling the breath starting to circulate throughout the body. And when we take deep breaths, I want you to visualize your whole body breathing in and your whole body exhaling. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your face, letting go of tension in the jaw, the lips, the forehead, the hands and the feet. Aware of your posture, extending your spine, becoming aware of this present moment. So take a deep breath in and exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling. Every cell in your body breathing in. And exhale, releasing stress. Letting go of past. The past is past, my friend. Letting it go. It's a new moment, new opportunities to create, new opportunities to love, to forgive, to overcome obstacles. Breathing in, breathing out, inhaling, and exhaling, letting go of insecurities. Natural to feel insecure in this life. Life is insecure. Coming back into trust, despite the insecurities, uncertainties. Coming back into trust in the unfolding of life. Breathing in and breathing out. Doing good, my friend. Stay with me. Inhaling 3 times. Exhaling 3 times. Following that rhythm. Breath in, holding the breath, and exhale, letting go, dropping your shoulders, relaxing your belly, feeling your belly utterly relaxed, chest open, keeping your spine extended with the shoulders away from the ears. Know that you're alive. You live to see another day. It won't always be that way, my dear friend. Time to start enjoying yourself and stop taking things so seriously. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale out. If your mind has been wanting to think, if your mind has been wanting to race, now is the time to let your mind be totally free. If you want to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Letting go of thoughts, coming back into the present moment, witnessing and welcoming your thoughts, no matter how unpleasant. whether there be anxiousness inside, tensions inside, welcoming it all like old friends as you close your eyes, aware of your posture, witnessing yourself as you are. Coming back into the body, and back into this present moment. Natural for the mind to drift. Simply coming back into here and now. Becoming aware of the sounds. Becoming aware of your breath as you inhale. And exhale. Breathing in love and light. Exhale, letting go of fears, feeling darkness, leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in joy. Exhale, letting go of negativity. Feeling negativity, leave the mind, leave the body. Letting go of shame, letting go of any mistakes that have been made. Having forgiveness. You know, mistakes is how we learn. Nothing wrong in making mistakes. Don't make the same one too many times. Taking a breath in and a breath out. Breathing in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relaxing your belly, dropping the shoulders, relaxing your face, opening your heart to the blessings that is already here. Remembering how supported you are. Life takes care of life, and you are life. Relaxing your jaw, the lips, the forehead, relaxing your mind, relaxing your heart, relaxing your belly, relaxing your hands, your feet, bringing all your attention inwards just for a few seconds, looking in. The color for today is a light brown. The number is 50,000. And the animal, are you ready for it? The animal for today is a tortoise. One of my most favorite animals in the world. Slow and steady wins the race, my friend. Remember to take your time today to enjoy the little things. I thank you for joining me across time and space. Wishing you an abundance of love, of resources, of creativity, of awareness, being aware of the thoughts that circulate in your mind, and knowing that it's possible to shift your thoughts away from the fears, the limitations, the scarcity, into thoughts that you actually want. You have that power to shift your mind, even if it seems like sometimes the thoughts is so overwhelming that you can't possibly do anything with it. Keep practicing, shifting the thoughts from negativity to more love, letting go of fear, letting go of anger, coming back to compassion, coming back into the present moment. Using your mind as a servant, not being a slave to the mind. This is my practice that I share with you. It's not easy because the mind is so strong, so powerful, but that doesn't stop us from just keep trying to get that mind on track. And it can be helpful to drop down into your heart, feel your heart more and more, and that can also help to balance all of the crazy thoughts that circulate in the day. Just drop down, put your hands to your heart, feel your heartbeat, try to feel instead of thinking your way through everything. Try more and more just to feel your intuition, your gut, and go with it. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.